Hello there, my name is Andrew Druckmann and I'd like to welcome you to the channel because after all, the reason why you clicked that link is because you want to learn proven methods to get lawn care clients. Well, and guess what? You just came to the right place because that is exactly what we are going to be talking about today. Now, if you haven't done so already yet, consider subscribing to Traffic Magic because that is what we do. We talk about different tips and strategies to help you get more people to the front door of your business every single day. Because after all, if you have nobody at the front door of your business, then you have no business because that is the bloodline to your business. And also something to keep in mind, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video so this way you can get more of an in-depth training on how to get more people to the front door of your business every single day. Now, without further ado, let's get into the action because after all, getting clients doesn't have to be hard. In fact, with the right strategies, you can fill your client with paying customers in no time. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get clients immediately. Now, the very first method we are going to be going over is local flyers and door hangers. Method number one is local flyers and door hangers. This is an old school strategy, but it still works amazingly well. And this is what you do. Design a clean flyer with your business name, services, contact info, and a special offer like 10% off your first service. Then go door to door in neighborhoods that have well-maintained lawns. People who care about their lawns are going to be more than likely your ideal client. Now, this tip is going to be always wear your uniform or brand shirt to look professional and trustworthy. Now, method number two is going to be you're going to want to is listing your business online. Websites like Google My Business, Yelp, and Nexstar are gold mines for local clients. Make sure your listing is complete. Include photos of your work and encourage happy customers to leave reviews. When someone searches lawn care near me, you want your business to pop up first. Online reviews build trust and can instantly increase your client calls. Now, method number three we're going to be talking about is social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to target your local area, post before and after pictures of your work. Client testimonials and even short videos show your team in action. Now, a free tip. Join local Facebook groups and provide helpful lawn care tips. People will see your expertise and contact you when they need a service. Now, method number four is going to be implementing a referral program. Happy clients are going to be your best marketers. Offer a small reward like a free service or a discount to clients who refer a friend. Now, this is what's going to create a snowball effect because one client can easily bring in 2 or 3 more, which means more revenue without having to spend extra money on advertising. Now, method number 5, what we are going to be talking about is forming local partnerships. Partner with landscaping suppliers, nurseries, or even real estate agents. For example, a real estate agent might need regular lawn maintenance for homes they're selling. So, when you build relationships with these people, you can get a steady stream of clients without doing extra marketing. Now, number 6 of what we're going to be talking about is running seasonal promotions. People are more than likely to invest in lawn care during spring and summer. So offer deals like spring cleanup special or summer lawn care package to create urgency. Promote these offers through flyers, social media, and email campaigns. Limited time deals have a tendency to get people to act fast. Now, finally, last but not least, number 7 is networking in your community. Attending local events, sponsor a youth sports team, or practice in charity projects. When people see your brand in the community, they're more likely to trust you and call you for lawn services. This also creates content for your social media, showing that your business cares about the neighborhood. So there you have it. 7 proven methods to get more clients. And if you felt like you got some value out of this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what your thoughts are because I always want to know is what you got to say. And also let me know what struggles you're going through when it comes to getting more people to the front door of your business every single day because I always want to know what you gotta say, and I wanna know what I can do to try to help you out. And also, remember, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video so that this way you can get more people to the front door of your business every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.